Our final 4 awards today recognize members of the senior class whose accomplishments and qualities of character match Columbus Academy's highest ideals. Each of these awards has been in existence at the school for over half a century, although in some cases a different name has been attached. The Alumni Cup was presented in 1936 by the alumni to honor the leadership of Frank P.R. Van Sickle, founding headmaster of the Columbus Academy. It is given annually to the senior whose work has been characterized by the highest degree of independence of thought, originality, genuine intellectual curiosity, irrespective of material incentives. The winner this year is Colin Sullivan. The Faculty Prize is awarded to the graduating senior who has shown the most improvement in academics and in other hard-to-define areas such as character, attitude, physical development, emotional maturity, and citizenship. And this year's recipient is Ayla Mendenhall. The Andrew William Carey Cup, established by the class of 1951 in honor of their classmate Andrew W. Carey Jr., is awarded annually to the senior chosen to be the speaker for the graduating class. The Carey Cup recipient delivers the valedictory address at commencement, and the recipient this year is Dalen. The Hamel Award, named in honor of James L. Hamel, principal founder of Columbus Academy, is presented to the member of the senior class who has demonstrated positive leadership combined with a high degree of excellence in academics and school activities, and consistently has upheld the honor of the school. This year's recipient is Jane Ma.